Tonight we did a burnout with the 2 cars we did. This footage will be out later on after the other footage has come out. Friggin' right it will. Friggin' right. But I'll put some clips in the burnout. Woohoo! Stop when you're ready, buddy.
Yo, we freaking did!
Yo, get a picture right now. Coming through here. Where's my phone? I think my elevator belt came off. Right?
20 minutes later, she's still smoking her up, boys. Hey? Thanks to Trev. Trev, where are you, bud?
Right here, over there.
Oh, yeah, you did. Look at the rubber.
There you go.
Captain. Decent. Oh, bring it right is decent. Oh, holy boys. Oh.
Are you alright, Mr. Cameron?
No, come over the car. I know. I couldn't breathe. I couldn't breathe.
Oh, yeah.
I actually couldn't breathe.
That's friggin' decent. Your car is gonna smell like rubber for a friggin' month, dude.
She's for sale too.
She's for sale, boys. 10 grand. Your best off.
I thought it was 20.
Not the guy standing in front of it. Don't come with
Hey,
it though.
Ryan Hall,
You don't
just
come
did
with
one
it.
for you. But she's a little smoky. What's up, Bill?
You know what?
Corey.
The boys, eh?
Who?
I think you got Corey on the rubber situation.
There we go. Number 2. We actually tied her to the wall.
Oh yeah! I think there's a couple tires there, boys. Look how high the mountain is. Let me put the camera down. Look at the mountain. Ah, it's freaking decent. Shout out to your channel, bud.
14.71 Racing Network.
Idle Racing.
Decent.
Idle Racing.
Idle Racing, man.
Cruise.
You click on that and subscribe. Why wouldn't you? What? Eh?
I don't know.
How do you feel?
I feel good.
How do you feel,
breathe
Corey?
again. There's oxygen in the air.
Yeah, we can breathe in here now, boys.